I just learned about something called paper trading, and it's really helped me refine my strategies and track my progress without risking any money. Trading is one of the most useful skills that I think anybody can have, but most new traders think that you have to have lots of money to get started. So they never enter the market and they never get any real life experience. When you start off, you're probably going to lose most, if not all of your money, and you're probably going to blow several accounts before you become profitable. So as a beginner, the longer you spend in the market, the more likely you are to lose your money. We need a way that you can get real life experience, track your progress, and refine your strategies without losing all your money. So today I'm going to show you how to set up a free paper trading account on a free TradingView account. But before we get into that, make sure you like and subscribe for more money making content, baby. All right, cool, let's get it. All right, cool. So very simply, just head to TradingView.com. I mentioned TradingView in my last video, so if you want to know how to sign up for TradingView, you can go and watch that video, but it's very simple. Go to TradingView, it will ask you to sign in. You sign in, you're in. So for this example, it doesn't actually matter what market we use. So if you just come to search and literally just pick any of these. So I already have my paper trading account set up. So I'm going to disconnect this one so that you can see how to do it on a fresh chart, yeah? So just come to any chart, it doesn't matter. You want to click trade in the top right corner, top left corner, paper trading, click connect. That's it, done. So now you've got $100,000 that you can trade with for free. So you can refine your strategies, you can practice how to buy and sell assets, you can track your progress, all without risking any money. A few extra things to do. So if you click this paper trading if you click this paper trading tab, you want to head to the trading section and just make sure that buy and sell buttons are enabled. Yeah? So if you look over here in the top left, you'll see that this is toggling the buy and sell buttons on and off. Yeah, very simple. You can add and remove paper trading accounts. So that's useful if you want to like test multiple strategies side by side, or if you just want to keep things organized, you can place different trades on different accounts. What I just realized is that you can actually set the amount. I think you can even make it a milli. It doesn't really matter, but yeah, you can. It's free. You have free money essentially. Now you can trade with no money. So if trading is something that you want to do, there's no longer the barrier of having to have lots of cash in order to learn or to start. So even if it's something that you don't want to do for yourself, like maybe you just want to upskill, you want to learn more about finance, you can maybe go and get a job as a trader, go work in a bank, go work at a hedge fund or something like that. Now there's no excuse to not at least try. Just take your time, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes, because that's how you're going to learn the most, and there's zero risk attached. So until next time, peace.